Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Pokemon University, Basabia, Balasur, Odisha. Once again, I am welcoming to all of you to Dr. A B JENA classes. And dear friends, today we are going to discuss the vital, the important or most expected, the 60 short forms or the abbreviations from the business and the finance area. And so far as this discussion is concerned, this discussion will be very useful and fruitful to the 12th standard as well as the UG and PG students so far as the commerce management PMR and economic subjects are concerned. And this discussion will be very useful and fruitful those who are appearing for the UGC NET and JRF examination as well as the lectureship examination, as well as this discussion will be very useful to those who are preparing for the competitive examinations. So dear friends, without delay we will start our discussion. So these are the 60 vital business and the finance related abbreviations. So first one is that is the B2C. What is this B2C? It stands for the business to consumer. B2C, so business to consumer or business to customer. Then B2B. B2B, it's a business to business. B2B, it's a business to business. So next one is it's the LIFO. LIFO stands it's a FIFO, not LIFO, sorry, it's a FIFO. It's a FIFO. FIFO stands for fast in, fast out. FIFO stands for, so it's that is the typing error. FIFO, it stands for fast in, fast out. Then LIFO. LIFO, it's a last in, fast out. Then CR, credit. CR, it's a credit. DR, it's a, that is the debit. So these are the discussions from the business and the finance point of view. Otherwise the DR means that is the doctor. So DR, it's a debit. So next one, it's a abbreviation ADR. ADR, it stands for American Depository Receipts. ADR, American Depository Receipts. And GDR, it's the Global Depository Receipts. GDR, it's the Global Depository Receipts. Then SDR, that is the Special Drawing Rights. SDR, it's the Special Drawing Rights. Then ATM, we are all using the ATM. It stands for Automated Teller Machine. ATM, it's the Automated Teller Machine. Then BSBC. BSBC, it's the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, or it's a popularly or we call it that is the Basel Committee. BSBC, it's the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision. So next one, it's a BOP. Sorry. So it's a BOP. BOP, it's a the full form of BOP, balance of payments. BOP, the full form of BOP, it's a balance of payment. So next one, it's a BSE. BSE, it is the full form of BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange. NSE, the full form of NSE is National Stock Exchange. SEBI, the regulator of stock market. So SEBI full form is Securities and Exchange Board of India. Again I am repeating, SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Then it's a car. So car, the car which is not for driving. So car, because we are discussing this, the abbreviation short forms from the business and finance point of view. So car, full form is capital adequacy ratio. Car, it's a capital adequacy ratio. Then CRM. CRM, it's the customer relationship management. The full form of CRM is it's a customer relationship management. Then CII. CII, it's the Confederation of Indian Industry. CII, the full form of CII, it's the Confederation of Indian Industry. So next, it's the FICCI. FICCI full form is Federation of Indian Chambers It's a Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Okay, then CARE, the credit rating agencies. FICCI, it's a vital. Again, I'm repeating, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Then CARE, Credit Analysis and Research Limited. CARE, the full form of CARE is Credit Analysis and Research Limited. Then ICRA or ICRA, Information and Credit Rating Agency. The full form of ICRA, it's the Information and Credit Rating Agency. Then the CRISIL. So these are CARE, ICRA, the CRISIL. So these are the credit rating agencies. So CRISIL, it is the full form of CRISIL is Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. CRISIL full form is Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. Then ESOP, it's ESOP, it's ESOP, Employee Stock Option Plan. ESOP full form is Employee Stock Option Plan. Then EXIM, Export Import Bank of India. The full form of EXIM, it's a Export Import Bank of India. So next one, it's a FDI. FDI, the full form of FDI is Foreign Direct Investment. FDI full form is Foreign Direct Investment. Then GATT, GATT, it's the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. GATT, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. Then STFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited. HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited. Then IASB, it's a International Accounting Standard Board. International Accounting Standard Board. Then ICICI, it's Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. ICICI, Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. Then IRDA, regulator of Indian insurance industry. Both life and non-life insurance business is regulated by IRDA. IRDA, it stands for, the full form of IRDA is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. IRDA full form is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. So next one, it's a IPO. The full form of IPO is Initial Public Offer. IPO is the Initial Public Offer. Then MOA, it's a Memorandum of Association. The full form of MOA, it's a Memorandum of Association. Then AOA, the full form of AOA is Articles of Association. Dear friends, I have already posted 3 separate videos on. One is for Memorandum of Association, second one is for the Articles of Association and what is the difference between Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. So details I have already given in the description. Kindly I will have the request you see and you will know more and more. Then MDGs, it's the Millennium Development Goals. MDGs, it's the Millennium Development Goals. Then SDGs, it's the Sustainable Development Goals. SDGs, it's the Sustainable Development Goals. The full form of MRTPC, it's the Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Commission. Again I am repeating, MRTPC, it's a Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Commission. So next, it's a NAV, it's a Net Asset Value. The full form of NAV, it's a the Net Asset Value. Then NPV, the full form of NPV is Net Present Value. NPV, it's a Net Present Value. Then NBFC, Non-Banking Finance Companies. Again I am repeating, NBFC, it's the non-banking finance companies. Then NPA, full form of NPA is non-performing asset. NPA, it's the non-performing asset. Then PNB, we are talking about in the short form. PNB, the full form of PNB is Punjab National Bank. Then SBI, State Bank of India. So next it's RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, the Central Bank of India. RBI, it stands for the Reserve Bank of India. Then the NABARD. So NABARD is, or NABARD full form is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. The full form of RRBs, it's the Regional Rural Banks. RRBs, it's the Regional Rural Banks. Then the full form of SIDBI should be Small Industries Development Bank of India. It stands for Small Industries Development Bank of India. Then IDBI. So these RRB, SIDBI and SFC, NABARD, RBI, so they are playing in vital role. So in the Indian economy. Then IDBI, its the full form is Industrial Development Bank of India. IDBI, it stands for Industrial Development Bank of India. Then SFC, it's the State Financial Corporation. SFC, it stands for State Financial Corporation. So next one is that is ROI. ROI, full form of ROI, it's Return on Investment. ROI, it's the Return on Investment. Then EPS, the full form of EPS is Earnings per Share. EPS, it's the Earnings per Shares. Then ROE, it's a Return on Equity. The full form of ROE, it's the Return on Equity. Then QIB, the full form of QIB, it's the Qualified Institutional Buyer. Okay, a qualified institutional buyer. Then the SAIL, Steel Giant SAIL, the full form of SAIL is that is Steel Authority of India Limited. SAIL, it's the Steel Authority of India Limited. Then SLR, the full form of SLR, so it's the banking term. Okay, banking terminology, banking term. SLR, it's a statutory liquidity ratio. Next, it's a CRR, full form of CRR, that is the cash reserve ratio. And in PLR, it's the full form of PLR, prime lending ratio. Friends, so we will discuss in separate video what is the meaning of SLR, PLR, the bank rate, repo rate, reverse repo rate in a separate video. Then ACZ, okay, says the full form of ACZ, Special Economic Zone. Okay, again I am repeating, ACZ, it's a Special Economic Zone. Then ECGC, the full form of ECGC is the full form of ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited. Again I am repeating, ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited. Then the TRIPS, TRIPS, it's the trade related aspects, intellectual property rights. Okay. Last but not the least, it's the VC, it stands for the venture capital. So these are all about the 60 most expected, that is the abbreviation short forms from the business and the finance area. And dear friends, I am hopeful that you have learned a lot, and during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your comment in the comment sections, and your valuable comments and suggestions are most welcome. And I will have the request, kindly you subscribe my channel, kindly you forward this one, and as well as you kindly you share it, and once again thanks a lot to all of you.